Do you ever think about how everything is connected? In a work environment where every second counts, ATEN helps you to quickly connect to the information you need to make the best decision. To meet the requirements of big data transmission, ATEN solutions are a must. While you're out shopping, be inspired by our digital signage to figure out what to buy next. These vivid presentations make your in-store experience easier and so much fun. For vivid live TV content, ATEN supports the transmission and control of high-quality AV signals. Your children will learn better with our interactive classroom products. Your family's most precious moments are guarded by ATEN all along the journey. Our monitoring and control products allow for smooth traffic and peace of mind. Even when you're traveling, we give you the most accurate and immediate information and the highest level of control. And if you're having fun, easily share that with the world. You can rely on us to stay in touch, to better meet your needs. ATEN empowers your life and world with simply better connections.